we are now launching white-labeled controlled and trading platform exchanges for anybody who wants to start something like Coinbase or Binance in a week.
Hi, I'm Caleb from Alphagrowth here at the Crypto Invest Summit in Los Angeles, California. Here with AJ from the Blockchain App Factory. How you doing?
Good, thanks, Caleb. And how are you? Thanks for having me here.
What is the Blockchain App Factory?
We're a dev shop of 200 plus blockchain app developers, and we have launched logistics solutions for enterprise clients like McDonald's and Lifeng Logistics.
Okay.
And we are now launching white-labeled controlled and trading platform exchanges for anybody who wants to start something like Coinbase or Binance in a week.
Where are you guys located?
We are in Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, and Chennai, India.
Worldwide.
Yeah.
So what's your goal?
So just like how the music industry evolved into where it is today, so when it started and digital content came into existence, immediately piracy was the one that sprang up, and that's how people were able to get into the game from all over. And that taught the industry how to evolve and become an inclusive mechanism, so that things like Spotify and Netflix has made it really affordable for people all over the world to listen to quality music legally.
Yeah.
And similarly, the entire crypto industry has evolved and come to a position where STO is the next evolutionary step, that you can get into investments on the blockchain legally, and the issuers are held accountable. And we want to get into this game, and we're launching a platform that tokenizes and allows issuers to fundraise legally in Europe.
So what are some of the assets you were saying you guys are getting on the blockchain?
Right. One company that we're working with is tokenizing a really interesting piece of real estate that is dear to the Muslim community all over the world. They are fractionalizing ownership of Mecca.
What?
Yeah. So we're working with them. Another one is a normal equity issuance.
Can I back you up?
Yeah.
Who owns Mecca? How can you fractionalize Mecca?
So one company which has been given rights to build structures like hospitals and hotels and whatnot, they are issuing tokens which essentially are the fractionalized ownership of those land that they have. And people all over the world can own that land now.
Okay.
And according to Saudi laws, unless you're a Saudi citizen, you're not supposed to own land there in Mecca. This is opening up to the whole world to own land there.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So not only can you travel to Mecca, you can also stay in part of the hotel that you own.
That's right, exactly. Yeah, and that's very dear to the Muslim community.
Yeah.
And that has opened something up. Another one that we're working with is a real headliner, and I'm not supposed to say anything yet. And yeah, it's hyper, and we are taking them public by tokenizing their equity, and yeah, we're doing that.
So it sounds like you're working with a lot of great projects. Like, what do you need to grow? Like, what's your next big step for?
Yeah, we want to tokenize debt and bonds, and we want to build an issuance platform on top of that, and then an exchange that allows people to trade those tokenized assets on there right away. And we want to bring in accredited and unaccredited investors from all over the world.
I had a great conversation with someone about exchanging debt and how when debt becomes part of the blockchain, it's going to legitimize everything, because like
Truly.
Money, it's not based on the ability for people to do work. It's like, I need to make this dollar so I can pay my rent because I have a mortgage and my kid needs a place to live because I'm in debt, and that's why I need money. So as soon as people start exchanging debt on the blockchain, it's gonna take off,
things, yeah.
Because people are gonna owe crypto and they're gonna need to pay that crypto back.
It's going to bring a lot more legitimate interest in the game now.
Yeah, that's awesome. So for the people watching, call to action. What's one thing you want to say to the world? What's one thing that they can take to either move into the crypto space or interact with your company?
So what crypto has done, it has sparked interest for people to understand modern money mechanics. not just crypto. Everybody knows what a lot of instruments are now that they wouldn't have otherwise. So I think this has opened up capital access to a lot of people, to a lot of underprivileged entrepreneurs. And yeah, I think that's a really good thing.
That's awesome. So if people want to reach out to your company because they have a project that they want to bring forward?
BlockchainAppFactory.com.
Blockchain App Factory. Well, awesome. It's great talking with you, AJ.
And thanks for having me,
I wish you
Calab.
tons of success.
Thanks so much. Cheers.
Thanks. Cool.